Arrive in style with this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder SL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: aluminum wheels, satellite radio, bucket seats, power windows, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, passenger airbag sensor, seat memory, and fog lamps. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.